My name is Subi and I am an embroidery artist. And today we're going to talk about a professional level bobbin winder, which is really cool when you have multi-needle machines and you need to wind bobbin from your embroidery thread, say if you're doing FSL or something that the bobbin is going to show on the other side, bookmarks, things like that. And I know I read on Facebook that people were having a little bit of a difficult time using theirs, so I'm going to show you guys how to set it up and how quick and easy it is to wind a bobbin. So cameraman, come on over, let's get to work. So the first thing you need to do is plug it in. That's what this is. Plug her in, and that's all you have to do. It is recommended by the company that you use metal bobbins because these things really zing fast. Let's go. Now it all has pictures on it, so we're going to follow the pictures. The first thing we do, now I do have bobbin thread. It's very economical to use just bobbin thread. It doesn't have, it's not as shiny, I guess, as embroidery thread, and this whole spool plus a bit more was only $14. So you save a ton of money. So this is just for regular bobbins. So the first part goes through here. Oh, also I should say when you're putting it together, there's only one part to do. It's this. You put this in here and there's a little cone that goes on here and another hook. I should have done that first, but there's nothing to it. So put those few parts in. So go through the top as step one. Step two, you can see right here, and it shows you. So if you're doing it this way, that's incorrect. They want it to the right first and then to the left. So now mine looks, you see the arrow. We're going up ahead. We're going to go to number 3. And actually, I just noticed, if you look here, it's really hard to see. I don't know if cameraman can pick it up. I'll move over. It says a number 3 right on the metal, so which is cool. And then we're going to go down here and we're going to look at the diagram. So it shows it going in, and we're going to do it around a couple times, then out. Then all you have to do is click on this part, and actually I think if we do it right, there should be a hook. I'm just sitting awkwardly. There's 2 places where you can cut the thread, and it's important that you do cut the thread, and you just pull it, and then you tap this down and you press the button and let go. You don't even have to hold it. And it winds it super fast. And there you have it. That's how to wind a bobbin. That's how to set it up and how to wind a bobbin that'll work on any machine. So thanks everyone for watching. Remember to wind your bobbins properly. Make sure the tension is right on them so you have beautiful embroidery. And I'll stitch you later. Bye!